For those who dream of a cold winter can choose the magnificent Norwegian fjords, Greenland, or may venture on the routes of the ancient Vikings. There is also something for those who want to get away from the classic tourist routes and go for distant exotic shores. Anchor in Australian ports of Call and scuba in the Great Barrier Reef or explore the fascinating islands of Hawaii. There is so much to do and see in this amazing world, you just have to pick. But you might tell me I cannot afford these trips at the moment. Well, watch this video to the end as I am giving a series of 2 videos. This is part 2. Make sure you also watch part 1. I'm giving this course for free. Make sure you subscribe now to this channel for much more videos of value given to you absolutely for free. Share these videos with your friends so they can also benefit from these videos. Subscribe now and let's start part 2. Hello and welcome to this course about ways how to save money on traveling and how to actually travel for free. In this class, I will be giving you strategies or hacks how you can actually get free accommodation and transportation. I will even be giving you ways and strategies how you can actually have free food too. Hack number 5, volunteer and travel the world for free. There are heaps of different options available when it comes to volunteer programs. These may include working in schools, eco-projects, and working in hostels. There are many options available. You typically pick projects that are appealing for you or match your skills. For instance, I have friends in the medical field that volunteer to go in camps in Africa. You will get accommodation for free, but you need to be prepared to help others if you intend to volunteer. Hack number 6, vehicle returns and relocations. The way this works is that you will be driving and relocating a vehicle for others. You can often score these vehicles along with a fuel allowance from some companies. This is perfect to get free transportation. Certain vehicle rental companies need cars, motor homes, and camper vans moving to particular depots. This can be seasonal, with specific destinations having a higher demand for vehicles at certain times of year. This is rather like how relocation cruises work. Alternatively, the vehicle will have to be returned after a previous customer's lease. Look for vehicle relocation companies to find opportunities in your destination. The catch is usually your time allowance. Unfortunately, you will have limited drive time to get your new home to its destination. Notwithstanding, it's a perfect way of getting free transport in your itinerary. Hack number 7, teaching staff in exchange for free accommodation. If you're looking for a great way to tick travel destinations off your list, teaching English abroad might be a great option for you. Not only does teaching abroad allow you to travel the world, but you can also continue to work and make money while you're at it. With growing worldwide demand for English teachers, there are plenty of teaching positions available just about anywhere for new grads or certified teachers. When it comes to teaching English, you have 2 options. You can either move to a new country to teach there, or live the digital nomad life by teaching English online. There are courses you can take online to get accredited if you are not already qualified. Hack number 8, working as yacht crew. Yacht owners regularly need staff to man their yachts. They have yacht crewing opportunities available. You can view sailing opportunities on websites such as Crew Seekers. To make contact with the yacht owner and join their crew, you must register as a member. Membership costs from £75 for 6 months and gives you unlimited access to all of our sailing opportunities. Once you have registered, you can create your own personal sailing profile and share this with yacht owners when you are applying to join them as crew. Sailing opportunities are listed with a variety of crew contributions. Some are looking for a shared contribution of daily onboard expenses, some are looking for no contribution, some may pay your travel expenses, and then there are professional listings where a fee is paid to the crew. There are tons of opportunities absolutely everywhere around the world. You can actually board a boat that is looking for crew member, and you don't even need a specific expertise. You can just basically be hired as an extra set of hands on the boat. But of course, there are crews looking for specific trades, like cooking or being a mechanic, and you obviously need to be prepared to work. In exchange, you actually find paid opportunities, shared contribution trips, and working passage trips, which is a really great way to get around if you ask me. Hack number 9, coach surfing. Probably not everybody's cup of tea, but it's also a way of traveling for free, so here it goes. For a one-time membership fee, you get to sleep on a stranger's couch anywhere you want in the world. Couchsurfing is a service that connects members to a global community of travelers. You basically create a profile giving some information about your lifestyle and what's important to you. If you're ready to embark on an adventure, search for the city or cities you plan to visit and browse locals with couches available. Look through profiles and references to find people you might want to stay with. You can even consider making your couch, spare room, or air mattress available to travelers. Hack number 10: lecturing on board cruise ships. Are you able to instruct arts and crafts? Or perhaps able to lecture on a specific destination? Cruise ships regularly need lecturers to deliver presentations and conduct classes to entertain passengers on board. Destination lecturers range from specialists on the Panama Canal to the Mediterranean. Whatever your destination lecturing specialty, there might be an opportunity for you. A destination speaker's responsibility is to give a series of original presentations illustrating the culture and history of the ports of call on a given cruise itinerary. The arts and crafts instructor is responsible for providing a series of classes on board. You will need to pay a placement fee to the agency that found you the assignment, but in return to your services you get to sail for free on-board passenger cruise ships. Isn't this great? I sailed many times as a speaker because I have a master's degree in art history and love lecturing and sharing my passion for travel and history with passengers on board. I was even lucky enough to sail on board one of the luxury cruise ships. An amazing experience indeed. You can also apply to conduct classes if you have skills you can share with fellow passengers. This one's also for you, if you have a talent like acting or singing. Cruise lines also employ people with other skills too. If you're looking for something more low-key, like a dishwasher, waiter, or cleaning opportunities, you might find these jobs on board too, but these are longer term. Many of these methods will help you travel at a very budget level and have some incredible experiences along the way. This is a very smart way to travel, and it's often far more eco-friendly than mass tourism and fancy hotel stays. Of course, you can combine more than one of the hacks I explained in this course to save even further. An additional tip I can give you is to sign up for low-cost airline newsletters. Budget airlines have been known to offer flights for very low prices. Sign up with a budget airlines relevant to your area of travel. If you get a very cheap flight and combine it with one of the above hacks for accommodation, you will surely bag a sweet deal. This brings us to the end of this short course. I sincerely hope that you found value in this class and hope that you will apply some of the learnings. I will soon be releasing another course on how to economize and save money to travel, among other titles, so make sure you start following me to be notified about my other course. As a last thing, I would greatly appreciate if you could leave some positive comments or recommend this course to your friends so they can also save some money. I will leave you with this quote by Lao Tzu: "The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step." Wishing you many travels.